In this video, we are talking about pine essential oil. There are lots of different tree oils, a lot of different pines and spruce type of oils, but this is Pinus sylvestris, which I'll put here on the screen because I'm terrible at pronouncing. This one's from Simply Earth. Most brands, I think all brands, have pine essential oil. It's evergreen and woody. It smells really fresh. It's like walking through trees, which I really do love. It's not like my top. I wouldn't say pine and tree oils are my favorite. Like florals are my favorite, but pine I do love. So we're going to do history, constituents, which are just the things that make up the oil, but a fancy name for it, benefits of those, and then I have some recipes in this blog post. So I won't share, just like tell you the recipes. I'll put the links so you can go check out the recipes down below. But the history of pine has long been revered for its medicinal and therapeutic properties. Ancient civilizations, including Greeks and Romans, recognized the power of this evergreen tree and used its essential oil for various purposes. The soothing aroma was believed to provide mental clarity, which I do feel. It's similar in that way to like a eucalyptus, where it's kind of just like clearing and good for respiratory, mental clarity, spiritual awakening. Today, pine essential oil continues to be treasured for many benefits. And these are the constituents. I'm going to put them here too so that you can see them on screen. The alpha pinene, and this offers refreshing and invigorating scent. It's known for its potential to promote respiratory health. Like I said, it's similar to me as eucalyptus. So in that way, if you can, I feel like everyone knows what eucalyptus smells like. Reducing inflammation, supporting mental clarity. Beta pinene is next. So this is the pleasant forest-like aroma, and it's believed to possess uplifting properties. It may also help ease muscle discomfort. So making an after-workout massage oil with pine is a good idea. Promoting balanced mood, supporting healthy immune function. These essential oils, like the tree oils, are really good for making men's cologne as well. Then limonene, that is the constituent that is in lemon. Citrusy essential oil. So it's a citrusy note that's hard to say. Renowned for its potential antioxidant properties, and also may provide for a healthy digestion and respiratory function. So we're kind of seeing a theme in this, kind of like the therapeutic benefits are kind of like health related, respiratory related. And then the last one is boronal acetate, which I'll put here, known for its calming properties. So that's going to also have like the fragrancy thing, the mood boosting, relaxation, stress relief. So you could diffuse it while you're sleeping. I don't know, I've never diffused pine, really my thing, but maybe adding it to some lavender. I could see that. And then maybe a citrus. This pine specifically, this one from Simply Earth, is from Bulgaria, and pine is distilled from the needles and twigs of the tree. The aroma, evergreen woody, I think I already said that. So this one also, they do child safe, and then the age. So this says child safe 2+ at a 1% dilution. So I will put a little guide here, just a basic dilution guide. So you always want to dilute when using oils with children. It's just really a big part of essential oil safety. And obviously you want to keep your oils away from kids and pets at all times. Okay, so practical uses, recipes is next. And again, I will put these recipes in the blog post, so click down below to see them and screenshot whatever you got to do. But there's a respiratory relief diffuser blend. And so I was already thinking like pine, citrus, like a lavender pine, and orange or tangerine would be a really good blend for diffusing. But this one is pine, eucalyptus, lemon, and it's to promote a clear breathing and kind of sinus respiratory support. Invigorating bath salt. So Epsom salt, pine, peppermint is the recipe for that. And taking like an aromatic bath is so beneficial. Aromatic, therapeutic, all the benefits of essential oils. So you want to make sure you're diluting the oils first though, before just adding a couple drops to the top of your bath. They won't disperse into the water, or they're not diluted that way. So dilute in a carrier oil, then mix with some Epsom salts or bath salts, and then add them to your bath. Pine is also such a huge oil when I think of cleaning, like pine sol, right? So you can add this to your cleaning to boost the power and scent. So the recipe in the blog post is vinegar, water, and pine. Is that it? I think If you're using, like making a DIY cleaning for like natural hardwood floors, you can also add olive oil or an oil to kind of help with the shine. Or if you're making like a dusting spray, it's always a good idea too. But pine and lemon are like the cleaning, when I think of dusting sprays and floor cleaners, things like that. Revitalizing massage blend. So again, if you have sore muscles, tired muscles, joints, backache, things like that, make a massage oil. That's my favorite way to use oils for that purpose in a massage type of product. You can also make a lotion too, and like an unscented lotion, but pine, rosemary, and then a carrier oil is in the recipe for that. So respiratory, mood support, cleaning, those are kind of the basics of how to use pine. If you have any other ways that you like to use pine, let me know in the comments below. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, the blog post will be down below along with all of the essential oil companies that we like to use. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.